I'm videotaping this. Oh fuck. I have low battery.
I got my ass in it.
I have low battery, don't get in the way. It's raining. Do you smell that shit?
Yeah.
Don't put it too close because you're gonna turn it off. This was a fun day. It's not really gonna burn, is it? That nail's gonna get really hot though, and you can burn people with it, and we can all have a note of this day.
No. Okay.
We created a mini fire. It's great. Bro, we're gonna become pyromaniacs. Let's do this shit more often.
Yeah.
No, I always like to burn shit, but my mom never let me.
Get more shit to burn.
Lol.